that I built with my own two hands. I met friends on the way, people chosen to make.
What is up, you guys? Peace. Welcome back to another one of my video, guys. So today we are going to go rafting. Wow, there's no excitement. There's no excitement. Okay, right now we are going on a natural lazy river. It actually takes 2 hours to complete, so we don't know where we're even gonna end up or what part of the state we're even gonna end up. But yeah, we got these sticks. We're about to go hiking, and yeah, better go tubing. So it's about to be fun. Also, guys, by the way, I didn't start the video. I don't know if you guys saw those videos of me ziplining. That was literally freaking terrifying. I just didn't admit it because that was kind of embarrassing. But hope you guys enjoy me ziplining too. Alrighty, guys, so right now we are in the rafts. Guys, we are literally all tied up with one another, and we're just going down the lazy river. Yo, but this is so freaking relaxing.
This is.
Mrs. over here doesn't get off her phone. She's really relaxing. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh.
Pretty fast.
Oh, this is going pretty fast. Holy shoot! Guys, look at this, how relaxing.
It's like a natural lazy river.
Just relax. Just let it take you wherever it wants you to take you. Like life. Just go with the flow. Motivational speech right there. Leave. Whoa! Yo. Oh my god, the water's touching me.
Guys, look what William is doing.
Oh my god. Yo, what if there's like a waterfall? And we just fall with the water?
Well, we will fall.
Yeah.
And swim.
Yo, I think I'm just gonna meditate right here.
Yeah?
Oh, there's a waterfall. I see people dropping over there.
No.
I'm not even kidding.
I saw it too.
Like a fish.
Oh, William. So, you know, we're just here in the river. Oh my god, I'm so white. But you can tell how red I am on camera. Wow.
Whoa! Oh!
Oh my god, my foot! Oh, break! We're stuck! What?
Whoa!
Oh, break, we're stuck! We're stuck!
Come on, get him!
Give me the stick!
Here. And then give me the other stick. Oh my god, I want to see my bellies fall so bad. Come on, we're stopping traffic.
So this is why everyone was parked.
Yeah. Oh, I'm getting away. This was a disaster. Oh, I hurt my foot.
I hurt my back.
Oh, okay, there we go. We're back on flow. Okay, go to the rocks over this. It's a big drop. It's a big drop. Big on it. Guys, comment down below if you guys have ever gone water tubing, because this is epic. I'm not gonna lie to you. See, my belly's mad. It's worth it. It's worth the struggle. So yeah, guys, we've only been here for like. Guys, we've only been here for like what, 30 minutes? Wait, this way. Oh shoot. Oh, I'm about to fall. No, no. Oh,
Fucking go!
come on, everybody. I'm trying.
You're not doing anything. You're just there. I'm stuck under this.
Oh, come on, come on. Little push, little push. Oh, there you go. You guys, peace. So we're about to go down this other rapid. My belly's starting to become a little upset. Oh shoot. Oh no. Oh wait, no, I'm about to get stuck. Oh shoot. Oh no. Oh no. Here we go. Woo! Oh, no, 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 no. Yo, we did it. Alrighty, I see some rocks. You know, I always take out the camera when I see rocks. Alrighty, guys, peace. So, you want to do it with me? Alright guys, so I'm about to go through the waterfall. Hopefully I don't hurt herself. She already has a bruise in her arm, so hopefully that doesn't happen with me.
Good luck.
I'm so scared.
You got this.
I'm not going. No way, I can't do it.
No.
Come on, throw me. Wait, I'm stuck.
No.
I hurt areas I wasn't supposed to hurt. Ouch. Alright guys, my belly's about to do it. My belly, but try to go laying down like that. You catch more speed.
No, I'm going the same way you guys did.
Shame. Just don't break anything.
Oh, right here.
No, you gotta go through all over there. You know what? Screw it. I'm doing it. I go. Taking you guys with me. Wait. Woo! Oh! Yo! Yo! Okay, that was fun. My belly, you're gonna fall, please. Okay, yeah, sit down, sit down. Try to lay on your back. Go, come on, lay on your back. Just go. Don't yell. Go. What was that? Lay down. Wow. So fun. It doesn't work. Ow, I hurt myself.